2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome turns that dream into reality. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a moving sanctuary of elegance, power, and innovation. Let's take a closer look at what makes it truly extraordinary. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome commands attention. The exterior carries the unmistakable aura of British luxury, with a stately silhouette defined by flowing lines, a grand panoramic windshield, and the iconic spirit of ecstasy poised proudly at the front. The chrome grille, inspired by Rolls-Royce's Phantom series, exudes sophistication, while the seamless LED headlamps and hand-polished aluminum panels add a touch of futuristic refinement. The aerodynamic body glides effortlessly through the air, with active air channels that enhance efficiency and stability. The side profile is impeccably clean, featuring coach doors with concealed handles and hidden storage compartments integrated into the design. Subtle lighting accents illuminate the bodywork at night, creating an ethereal glow. Roof-mounted solar panels and an automatic retractable awning provide both practicality and sustainability without compromising style. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of pure serenity. The interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship: hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, and soft ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. Every surface feels tailored to perfection. The cabin design draws inspiration from Rolls-Royce's bespoke philosophy, where every detail serves both purpose and poetry. The front seats swivel to face an elegantly designed living area complete with a foldable glass dining table and retractable touchscreen displays. The fully equipped galley kitchen features precision-engineered induction surfaces, a hidden refrigerator, and crystal glassware crafted exclusively for this model. At the rear, the bedroom is nothing short of opulent, featuring a king-size memory foam bed framed by illuminated wood panels, silk-lined storage compartments, and a ceiling inspired by the brand's famous starlight headliner, twinkling gently as you drift to sleep. The en-suite bathroom is equally luxurious, with a rainfall shower, marble-style surfaces, and gold-trimmed fixtures that redefine mobile elegance. Performance remains unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The 2026 motorhome is powered by a hybrid electric V12 powertrain, delivering over 600 horsepower with near-silent operation. The acceleration is smooth, the ride utterly serene, thanks to the advanced Magic Carpet air suspension, which automatically adapts to every road surface, making even the roughest terrain feel like silk. Its electric assist system and regenerative braking deliver a combined range of around 900 kilometers on a full charge and tank. With near-zero cabin noise and state-of-the-art insulation, long journeys feel tranquil, effortless, and refined, exactly as a Rolls-Royce should. As for pricing, exclusivity comes at a cost. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome starts around $950,000, with bespoke configurations easily surpassing $1.2 million USD, depending on the level of personalization. Of course, every detail can be tailored: colors, materials, finishes, ensuring no two are ever alike. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a statement of timeless elegance and boundless freedom. It redefines what it means to travel in luxury, gliding across the world with grace, silence, and the unmistakable spirit of Rolls-Royce craftsmanship. So what do you think? Could this be the most luxurious way to chase the horizon?